Put it in the bucket. Oh, you're still eating your seed. Okay, put it in there. Good boy. See what he does now. Buddy, put it in the bucket. Hey. Put it in the bucket. Good boy.
You forgot to click.
Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Put it in the bucket. Good boy.
I'm not fast enough.
I know it was slower when I was hanging on to him, but you're supposed to wait for me, but that was a good boy. We got a feather out here.
I see that.
Put it in the bucket. Good boy.
Oh, hold on, we dropped it. Here you go, bud.
Slide me one of those tops underneath the table, or the jack or something. Put it in the bucket. Uh-oh, he got away from you. Buddy, here, put it in the bucket. Buddy, hey, put it in the bucket. Good boy. Buddy, here. There's a ball over there. Buddy, buddy, put it in the bucket. Okay, that's not my ball. Put it in the bucket.
That's new.
Buddy, buddy, can you touch? Touch. It's okay, touch. Good boy. Touch. Good boy. That one was kind of a brush instead of a touch.
Give him back his balls. He was having fun.
Buddy, put it in the bucket. Good boy. Buddy, put it in the bucket. Good boy. Put it in the bucket. Where's the bucket? Uh-oh. Put that one in the bucket. Good boy.
Did you get it back?
Buddy, put it in the bucket. Good boy. He started running, he slipped. Did Mom forget to give you your seed?
No.
Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Is he done? Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Mom's got him. Put it in there. Good boy.
You were just too smart. That one's a dud. Hold on. There you go. You cheated.
Buddy, hey, Put it in the bucket. Good boy. Okay, buddy, can you take him out? Hey, buddy, buddy. Take him out. Give him here. Good boy. Can you get the other one? Buddy. Can you take it out? Can you get it? Buddy, hey. Can you take it out? Give it here? No, come on. Take it out. Give it here. Almost.